Hello. I wanted to record a very quick video to show you a use case on using drop-downs in Mundane. I think they are oftentimes overlooked, and in this specific use case, what I want to show you is how do we take a drop-down with multiple options and create individual line items from each of those options in another board. A good use case from this is maybe you need to deliver certain products and you have select the products in one board, and then you need to have them listed individually in a order fulfillment board, as an example. So very quickly going to run you through this. I'm going to try to keep it under 2 minutes. So what I've got here is a drop down. And first I'm going to show you how it works. So when I go and select option 1, I can then go and mark my status, whatever that is. In this example, I'm going to use working on it. And what's going to happen is you will see an option 1 is just being created in here. Now, in order to do that and to look behind the scenes is I'm going to show you the main table. So what I've done is included statuses for every option that we have. And all it has is whatever my option name is or product is, and the automation I use is when dropdown changes to option 1, change my status to option 1 and option 1 to option 1. Now that might seem confusing. The only reason that that is duplicated is if I go back, I have to use a dropdown automation. When dropdown changes to something, change status to something, and another status to something. So that's duplicated, but if you just select the same status, then only obviously that one status will update. So I'm going to quickly add this or duplicate this and say when drop-down changes to option 2, then change option 2 to option 2 and option 2 to option 2. Create automation, and we'll add it to the board. There it is. And I am also going to use this one. So when status changes to working on it, and only if option 2 is option 2, then create an item in options board. I'm just going to duplicate this. And option 2 is option 2, create an item. Now this item is where we map the columns that we want from our drop down into our options board. So as you can see, I put in option 1. I'm going to change this to option 2 and done. Create automation. So that is essentially the whole gist of it. Again, to see it in action, if I select here and go option 1 and option 2, and I then click working on it, what should happen is in my option board, I have now option 2 and option 1, both as individual line items in this board. I hope this is helpful. If you would like to learn more, reach out to us at mutherboard.com.